Do you like to make excellent investments? Well, here's an insider tip. There is one investment you can make that will have the biggest contributing factor to a richer, more fulfilling, and healthier life. And there isn't anything else that comes close. And that investment is in your sleep. Improving the quality of our sleep is arguably the single most effective thing we can do to reset our brains and recharge our bodies. Yet many of us just aren't getting enough. There are enormous amounts of scientific evidence to show it's the elixir of life, the Swiss Army knife of health. Over the last few decades, the people of most industrialized nations have significantly reduced how much they sleep. This has resulted in a very clear and significant impact on health and wellness. But there is no escaping the stark fact: the shorter your sleep, the shorter your life. Short sleep greatly multiplies the number of chronic conditions because it also weakens the immune system. Do you think of sleep as a cost? People look for ways they can reduce their sleep in order to fit more things into their life. If you were to reframe that and instead look at sleep as an investment, not just in your lifespan, but in your health span, the most effective way of aiding your body in defending itself against issues with cardiovascular health, metabolic health, mental health, the immune system, to help the body fight inflammation, the best way you can help the body with all of those is to give it the sleep it so badly needs every night. You may think you have a choice. That is an illusion. When you don't invest in your sleep, it's the equivalent of living in a house on the edge of a cliff that is very slowly crumbling into the sea. It's only a matter of time until the foundations crumble. Once that happens, the rate at which everything comes tumbling down rapidly increases. Do yourself the biggest favor you can do for you. Invest in yourself. Realize the importance of giving yourself the opportunity of sleeping around 8 hours every night.